The Crazy Frog.
Sobra ng isa. 2 words lang yon. The title is
Crazy Frog.
You can dance Crazy Frog alone. Music for you, sir, please.
Wait lang, tsaka lang.
May humahamon.
Dalhin nyo dito, sir. Sir, willing kami. Sir, parang sir, pinapakitaan ka. Pinapakitaan ka. Ladies and gentlemen, wait, ang sarap hamunin na pag hinamon, tatayo agad. Delikado to isa. Okay, let's see the showdown.
Music for the both of you.
Let's go! Let's do the crazy frog! Congratulations. Sige, tag isang 500 ulit.